Welcome dear ones to the most powerful trading bot on the book option platform. This bot is completely free and gives you recommendations for artificial intelligence. I will give it to you for free only to our account followers. I will now explain to you how to use the bot on mobile and computer. To get it free, click onto Sim Market, visit the platform and find the registration link in the description. Okay, take a screenshot of the candles you wish to speculate on. For example, we will choose this financial asset. Capture this shot. Okay, that's all. A screenshot on the mobile phone and on the computer. We go to the bot, we upload the screenshot and wait for the bot's analysis with artificial intelligence. It will tell me whether I should enter a sell or buy and what is the success rate of the transaction. All of this is through the bot, which will provide you with everything you need to contact us on Telegram via the barcode that appears on the left of the screen. Notice now he told me to enter a torrent on a 5-minute frame. The success rate is 98%. I immediately put the 5-minute frame and enter. Sell because according to the estimation of artificial intelligence, after the end of 5 minutes, even if the price rises now, it will remain below the entry level and therefore $507 will be added to my balance. We focus on the topic of the method of use that I explained to you. We only photograph the candles and go to the bot. We upload the image and then it will give you recommendations as follows on a daily basis in an unlimited number. There are 23 seconds left until the end of the transaction, and so far the trend is down, all thanks to the bot that we entered into a direct transaction now in front of you. Note that there are 5 seconds left. Notice how the trend turned bearish with defensive candles remaining 10 seconds and will be added to the balance of $5 and $7. Don't forget to contact us on Telegram to get this bot for free. Note 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 3. Second, congratulations, $5 and $7 added to my real balance. Don't forget to contact us on Telegram to get this bot for free.